In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the snowblower assembly from your John Deere tractor. This is a 54-inch blower, and this is my John Deere 2320. Many tractors will probably be similar, but this one is for this one specific. So I'm going to walk you through the steps and how to remove it, and we'll go from there. I also wanted to add, I wish I had the video of installing it. I don't. So pretty much everything is going to be the reverse for install. So that being said, let's begin. As you can see, I built a little platform that I put the snowblower on so I can roll it in my garage and tuck it into an area where it's kind of hidden. Most people don't do that probably, but I do. So first things first, get this thing onto this. So let's do that. Next thing you have to do is these pins right here, they just pull out, and as you can see, very simple to do. And then what happens is, I got to do the other side, then I lower this part down and it frees itself away from this. The next thing you have to do is disconnect your drive shaft, and I'm trying to see if I can sneak in here with a camera. Right there. That gets disconnected. Drive shaft is now disconnected from right there. So that's done. So the next step is you have to disconnect your hoses. Is make sure that you remove all the pressure from the line going to that attachment, or I should say that part of the blower, the part that allows this thing to go back and forth. Okay, I got those disconnected, so we'll just pull them through. And we'll sneak them out here. Try and do this and hold the camera. Okay, that part's all done. There's a little hook here that you put your drive shaft to lay on and store it like that. And usually what I'll do is I'll come back in a little while and I'll spray the chain with some lube, and I'll clean it up because right now it's kind of messy, and we'll put it away. I'm just jumping into this video, and the part that I was describing yesterday, how to take this section off, didn't come out that great, and when I was editing the video, it just looked too terrible. So I kind of threw this back together just to show you a better view. Yesterday, the front part of the blower was taken off. I put on my little roll around cart, so that's off, and we disconnected the lines, and that's probably where I'm going to splice the video in from there. So the next thing to do is to remove this section. So I'll see if I can get a better camera angle for that. First thing you have to do is there's these snap ring things. There's a shaft right here that will be removed, but first all you have to do now, this part here, and there's one on the other side, You just pull it out, and there's like a little pin. It's a spring-loaded pin. You just lock it in. So it's, if you release it, it just engages back into this plate here. So we don't want that. So we gotta pull it out. We'll do the other side. And then it drops down. And then this part here is just kind of hooked on. So all you do is kind of lift a little bit and pull it off. There's like it kind of like recesses in this little groove right here. So that part's all done. We'll get this out of the way. This part here is connected to the drive shaft that goes all the way to the back, and that's probably where I'll splice this video back in. In order to get this off, you have to take this shaft out, which I already went ahead and removed this one part of the snap ring doohickey. So we'll pull this part out. That comes out. Same deal with this. It just, after you pull this out, this will fall off. Just kind of make sure you got a hold of it. It just falls into this little groove right here. So I'll lightly pull forward. And that's it. And you can actually see that's where your drive shaft for the blower connects right here. Other than that, you're pretty much done. And we'll disconnect the drive shaft in the back, and that's it. That's all I wanted to splice in. You just pull this forward. It's like a spring-loaded clip. That's it. You're done. That's the parts I just took off from the front. Honestly, you can have it done in 5 minutes. It's really not hard. I just spent time on the video trying to explain everything. Okay, well, I appreciate you guys sticking around and watching this video. If you would hit the like button, I'd be so appreciative. And drop a comment if you got any questions. I'll do my best to answer them. And other than that, that's it for now. I gotta put my mower deck on and the loader. And well, I've done videos for those, and I'll link those in the description somewhere. And other than that, that's all I gotta say. Thanks again, and stay healthy. We'll see you soon.